PCGT's year. We have been going to the schools, to the colleges, interacting with the students at different age groups and trying to get them involved in the fight for good governance, in the fight against corruption, the daily corruption that we see every day around us. It's a very difficult task, and we can only chip away at it. But it is important for people to start a movement. You know, our Anna Hazare's movement was such a big movement, and we were greatly enthused with that. But later on, for different reasons, which is not the place to talk about it, it fizzled out. But other groups, and one of them is PCGT, trying to do it through young people, change their minds. And this is why we have called our great actor and icon, Mr. Amir Khan. Because he has a great social conscience, as I've seen in Satyamev Jayate. He addresses all these social issues. So we said corruption and communalism are the two big ills in this country. And I think all young people should understand that and join in the fight against two ills. If we want to go ahead, this country wants to be one of the great powers, we have to fight these two ills of communalism and corruption. Incidentally, I also have another NGO called the Mohalla Committee Movement, which fights communalism. We have another icon who's coming to us on the 14th at Malwani, and the great Bharat Ratna, great cricketer, Sachin Tendulkar, he's coming to grace our function on the 14th. And we have Amir Khan in this fight against corruption, which we want all the students to join us. This is what we are trying to do. After we have these kind of events, many young students come to us. They come as volunteers, they come as interns, they learn about the RTI. And then now there is also another one called the right to service, which the new Chief Minister has decided that he will enact that law. And we are also in the process of not interfering in it, but to sort of suggesting that it should be a very effective law, something like the RTI, where people will be forced to give you the service that you are entitled to. So this is what we are trying to do. I will not speak any further. This is the idea of PCGT. It is started by very old people, as you see in the days, all above 80. But the other partner are the youth. So we have very old people who have got a lot of time on their hands. They need not go to office and go to work. And you have students who have to study, of course, but they should also think about these things and join in this fight for good governance. Thank you.
For how to make that change. The book on RTI. Let's hear it. For this book, which is Bombay Coding Company has released for us, and the yes, and written by Narayan sir, of course. So let's put our hands together for this wonderful moment we've been waiting for today. As we're doing this, we're going to do a quick prize distribution. Are we ready for that? Yeah? It's wonderful how आपने इतना परिश्रम करके आज यहाँ पे सबके दर्शन पा लिए हैं, including Amir ji. So, I would appreciate the dignitaries to do the honors. The Bombay Coding Company, of course, is participating with us on this in our prize distribution. And before we move on, the first prize that we're giving away today is for Kalyandeep Kesi Nanavati School. Are you all here? Ma'am, please. That's Principal Mrs. Daksha Vyas and Omkar Jogli, the child of that institute. दक्षा जी, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इस बहुत ही खूबसूरत पल पे?
Thank you very much. I'll just say कि इतने बड़े फंक्शन में हमें फर्स्ट प्राइज दिया. Thank you very much.
Shankar ji, for the skit group. Nitin. May I call upon stage Ursula Verma and Nitin ji, please stage pe aaye. Shankar ji, please do the honors and honor these wonderful children who have managed to inspire so many with kuch aur. All right, the third prize goes to JLC. Mr. Ribeiro, please do the honors of this street play and the wonderful students who won this. Please come up on stage. Bunch, they just knew they were going to win today. And the first prize, Amir sir, we'd like you to do the honors for this, goes to Dr. Ambedkar College. Oh, fans and all. Woo! Congratulations, Dr. Ambedkar College. Well deserved. Rakesh Maria sir, please do honor the Bombay Coding Company right now for preparing the app for would you please come up on stage, Bombay Coding Company. वो RTI के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, और ऑफ कोर्स आज हमारे साथ ये शाम बिताने के लिए, जिसके लिए he was ready to fly down just for a day, for you, for PCGT. I'd like you to put your hands together for him, for being here this evening. Before I call upon Amir, I think I've gotten a little too excited. Maria sir has been doing consistently and has done in the past a lot for the changes in Mumbai. Our Commissioner of Police today joining us and sharing a few words as to how we can be concerned citizens and make that change. Rakesh Maharji, thank you very much. I join my hands in all honesty and thank you especially as a lady member of Mumbai, for taking such aggressive steps and sending out a message in Mumbai. Rakesh Maharaj sir.
Good evening, respected Mr. Ribeiro, Mr. Verma, Mr. Gandhi, Amir, some of my very distinguished seniors in the force who have retired, who are here, and all my young friends. When I joined service, the challenge in working in the force was the fight against the underworld. In the next decade, the challenge became the fight against terrorism. Every IPS officer has this dream of becoming Commissioner of Police Mumbai. I too had that dream, and one thought that this fight against the underworld and the fight against terrorism would constitute the major challenge, the major work by the time my turn came to become Commissioner of Police. These two scourges do exist today. No country, state, nation, town can say that they are free from the threat, or free or immune from the threat of either a terrorist strike or the problem of the underworld. But I feel these two issues can be tackled with a little bit of effort. The major challenge before the force today is security of women.